Insurance agents, check this out. A hot IUL lead just came in. You're with a client. By the time you call back 2 hours later, they already signed with somebody else. That's not bad luck. That's a system failure happening to you. The agent who responds first wins 8 out of 10 times, not the best agent. With launch, the millisecond a new lead enters the system, an email and text message fires off, and the AI opens up a conversation. All within seconds, not hours. As you can see here, the prospect responded back. You become the fastest agent they ever heard from without even touching your phone. The cool part is the AI has full-blown conversations and books your appointments for you without lifting a finger. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you want to increase your closing ratio by 80%, check out the system that we built for life insurance agents. The link is in my bio.